Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically adjust the sound of your soundboard. So sometimes it can get pretty loud, and I do turn mine off, but you can adjust the volume if you don't want it 100% off. So simply just go to user settings, go to voice and video, scroll down until you find soundboard. Control how loud sounds are for you personally. For more info, click here. So I do have it on 0%, but if you want it to be at 50%, you can do that. It would be at 100% usually, but I just find it very loud and I don't like being surprised or scared or whatever. So I do have it on 0, but if you want to hear it, just adjust the soundboard volume here. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!